Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can view photos in iCloud and on your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments, and let's get started. So, in order to view photos on iCloud, we will need to first go into the phone settings. Next, at the top of the screen, we tap on our name to go to our Apple ID. Here we select the iCloud section. Next, we're going to select the Photos section. And now you and I need to make sure that we have the See This iPhone feature enabled. If you don't have it enabled like I do, and you have it grayed out, then you just need to toggle this button to activate this feature. After that, you and I need to allow synchronization between our device and iCloud. To do that, we're going to select Sync Now and just toggle it. And then we can log out of iCloud. And we can go to the gallery on the phone. And here we will see all the photos, the ones that we have on iCloud as well. Because in the gallery are all the same photos that we have on our iCloud storage. Because you and I have already enabled synchronization. And we'll have the photos both on our device in the gallery and on our iCloud. So that's the way you could view your photos on iCloud and enable synchronization with your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. See you later.